When you hear the word data warehouse, you think of this giant thing that you have to have a map navigate. But the modern data warehouse is a much simpler, nimbler thing that you can slowly build over time. Because most marketers are scared of the word warehouse, they tend to try and find shortcuts or not even pursue this solution at all. That slows them down in the long run because it's an ongoing investment that they're making into doing something manual that could be very easily automated away with that same investment or less. So here's how we try and help make sure that the marketers actually get what they want from a warehouse and at the same time don't end up spending too much time on it. We start with building a mock-up and doing the process and the outcomes upfront. When we actually start building something, we really want it to be the thing that is going to be useful and beneficial to the customer, right? Based on that, we will only work on the thing that is going to be beneficial to the client and actually going to add value. In that process, we on average save the customer about 9 weeks of feedback and iteration time and all the hair pulling that has to go through trying to change something that's already been built. What we've seen is that clients are super happy. They start with something small and nimble that they can add to over time. They've saved a bunch of time getting to the value part of actually starting to use this thing because they are playing with it as soon as the mockup is live and we're constantly seeing improvements as they use it.